Welcome back. Let's unbox 45mm LTE, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I already opened it up. I already cut the seals off, but let's open it together for the first time. This is the Note 20 Ultra. Let's see. I wonder if this is real leather. Let me see. It says premium genuine leather. All right, now what's in here? Paperwork and the charging cable. All right. This is the 45, and everybody's like wondering if it's too big or too small. I'd say I have an average hand, and yeah, 45 is good for me. All right, thanks for watching.